but with the Iranian people. And I think they've had enough. 80%.
Netanyahu got Guhertina rejîma îranê bi awaya leşkerî li senaryoyek xeyalî. Dihev peyvinekede legal podcast a full story. Serokwezîrê İsraîlê Benjamin Netanyahu got ku jî sedî heştê Îraniyan dişwazin ku melayên çete dest jî kar berdin. Vî got ku gelek kes jî tirsa polîsên veşartî yên Komara İslamî ku bi hesanî mirovan hedef digirin bedeng mane. Serokwezîrê İsraîlê senaryoyên leşkerî yên ji bo Guhertina rejîmê red kir û got ku ramanek wîsa xeyalî ye û tenê gelê Îranê dikare pêşe roja xwe biguherîne.
Not with the regime, but with the Iranian people. And I think they've had enough. 80% of them want to throw these theological thugs out. They're just, intimidated by secret police that has, that just shoots them. But I think that there's a chance that the Iranian people will actually rise up because, everybody talks about regime change and they envision, the American army and the IDF forces invading Iran, boots on the ground and all that other nonsense that people spewed forth. No, we took action to remove those two life-threatening threats, the nuclear threat and the ballistic missile threat, and we removed it. We pushed it away for many years. But ultimately, it's up to the people of Iran to rise up against their tormentors. And I think there's a possibility.